Hello guys, it's me Aryan here with my first YouTube video, and in today's video I'll be reviewing my handcrafted action figure of Spider-Man. Now today's video is only a review of my handcrafted action figure. I'll teach you guys how to make one in the next video. Alright, let's get started. First off, let's go over its scale. Now this figure stands about 5 inches in height and 12.5 centimeters tall. Now to go over the figure's detail. The figure as a whole has a lot of detail. I sculpted each and every web line on his suit to make it as movie accurate as possible. The black sections of his suit has a dotted pattern on it. I sculpted the small spider symbol on his chest, also known as Droni, there. I've given him a little darker shade of red instead of the bright red in the movie because I just like dark red. Now, the black is black. What can I say about that? And the spider symbol on his back, that's another thing I've painted, is white. Alright, now on to his accessories. I've given this figure two accessories. One of them is a Peter Parker head, as you can see right there. Let's get this focused. Yeah. Alright, now I can agree with all of y'all that it doesn't look that much like Tom Holland. I tried to sculpt him. I tried to sculpt the head as accurate as possible to look like Tom Holland, but it ended up looking like this. Anyways, to swap this head, all you need to do is take the existing head on the figure, just pop it off. Now, as you can see, this head is on a ball and hinge socket, so it can hinge back, hinge in front, right there, and this is the ball. What you want to do is take this head, see that there's a socket there, so just pop it right in, and there it stays. It won't be falling. It's a tight fit. So there, the figure doesn't look that bad with the Tom Holland head on. The head too looks a little more better with it. Anyways, on to the second accessory. He has a web line right here that's made of wire and hot glue. Now to attach this to his hand, all you want to do is pop his palm off the ball of the socket, then take the whole of the wire right there. Just see that you put it through the peg there like that, and just put it back in the socket like that, and there. Now that looks more like Spider-Man, right? Alright, now since we've completed all that, the time you've all been waiting for, an action figure can't be called an action figure if it doesn't have articulation, right? So this part is going to be of articulation. Now this figure is loaded with a lot of articulation in it. It has about 36 points of articulation. Let's go over it. So with the Tom Holland head on, he can look up till there, down till there. His head can rotate 360, which will, probably kill him. So please don't do that. Warning you. Spider-Man's one of my favorite superheroes. Please don't do that. Alright. Then his head can pivot just a tiny bit right there. Pop this off. Put the Spidey head back on. His head can look up till there. Little more range, you can see. Gets those awesome poses going on there. Can look down till there. That's a lot of range. Can again turn 360. Don't do that. And his head can pivot just a little bit, just like the Tom Holland head. Anyways, his arms can rotate 360. They hinge out till there. His biceps can swivel like that. He has a double hinge in his elbow. The hinge till there. His palms can rotate 360. His palms can also hinge in and out. Now he has a ball and hinge socket in his torso which gives awesome movement right there. Now his legs can kick out till there and move out till there. He has thigh rotation, has a double hinge in his knee, and his feet can hinge down, up, and they do have ankle pivot. All right, there. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Don't worry, more videos are on the way. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a like. Share it to all those who you think may like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video on YouTube. Alright guys, bye. See you in the next one.